I've sailed on dozens of cruise ships over the past decade, and when I stepped aboard the Carnival Celebration for the first time, I knew this wasn't going to be just another floating hotel. This ship has personality, quirks, and enough surprises to keep even the most seasoned cruiser entertained. After spending a full week exploring every deck, dining venue, and hidden corner, I'm ready to give you the complete breakdown of what makes this ship tick. The Carnival Celebration launched in 2022 as one of Carnival's Excel-class ships, and it's clear they pulled out all the stops. At over 180,000 gross tons and stretching more than 1,100 feet long, this floating city can accommodate nearly 5,300 guests when fully loaded. But size isn't everything, and what really matters is how they use that space. Let me start with something that'll make or break your cruise experience: your stateroom. The Carnival Celebration offers a solid range of accommodations that won't leave you feeling like you're sleeping in a closet. The interior staterooms are surprisingly spacious for what you're paying, coming in at around 185 square feet. These rooms feature 2 twin beds that convert to a queen, a small seating area, and clever storage solutions that actually work. The ocean view staterooms bump you up to about 220 square feet and give you that precious window to the outside world. Trust me, having natural light makes a bigger difference than you might think, especially on sea days when you're spending more time in your room. The balcony staterooms are where things get interesting, offering around 230 square feet of interior space plus a private balcony that's perfect for morning coffee or evening cocktails. For those looking to splurge a bit, the suites on the Carnival Celebration are genuinely impressive. The Havana cabanas are particularly clever, giving you direct access to the adults-only Havana area with its own pool and bar. These rooms come with a spacious patio instead of a traditional balcony, and you can literally walk from your room to the pool in your swimsuit. The XL Presidential Suite is the crown jewel of accommodations, featuring a massive 700 square feet of living space plus a 645 square foot balcony. This suite includes a separate bedroom, living area, dining space, and even a pantry. The balcony has its own hot tub, which honestly feels a bit ridiculous but in the best possible way. All staterooms feature Carnival's smart technology, including bedside USB outlets, interactive TV systems, and climate controls that actually respond when you adjust them. The bathrooms are compact but functional, with good water pressure in the showers and enough counter space for your toiletries. Now let's talk about food, because let's be honest, that's half the reason we go on cruises. The Carnival Celebration doesn't mess around when it comes to dining options. The main dining rooms, Meridian and Azure, serve classic cruise fare with a few elevated touches. The menus rotate daily, and while you won't mistake this for fine dining, the quality is consistently good and the portions are generous. The Lido Marketplace is your typical cruise buffet, but it's organized better than most. Instead of one massive chaos zone, it's broken into different sections that actually make sense. The pizza station serves surprisingly decent slices that hit the spot at any hour, and the deli section makes sandwiches that don't fall apart the moment you pick them up. Emeril's Bistro 1396 is where the Carnival Celebration starts to show off a bit. This specialty restaurant, created in partnership with celebrity chef Emeril Lagos, serves elevated Creole and Cajun cuisine that's genuinely flavorful. The jambalaya is rich and hearty, and the barbecue shrimp will make you forget you're on a cruise ship. There is a cover charge, but it's worth it for a special night out. Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse brings the premium dining experience with perfectly cooked steaks and an impressive wine list. The filet mignon is tender enough to cut with a fork, and the lobster tail is fresh and properly prepared. Again, you'll pay extra, but the quality justifies the cost. Bonsai Sushi offers fresh sushi and Japanese cuisine that's surprisingly authentic for a cruise ship. The sashimi is fresh, the rolls are creative without being gimmicky, and the miso soup actually tastes like it should. The hibachi tables provide dinner theater that's entertaining without being cheesy. Cucina del Capitano serves Italian favorites in a warm, family-style atmosphere. The pasta is made fresh daily, the pizza comes out of a proper wood-fired oven, and the tiramisu is dangerously good. This restaurant captures the feeling of eating at your Italian grandmother's house, assuming she was an excellent cook. The RedFrog Pub and brewery deserve special mention because they actually brew beer on the ship. The Thirsty Frog Red Ale is smooth and malty, while the Frisky Frog Caribbean Wheat has hints of lime that work perfectly with the tropical setting. The pub food menu features elevated bar snacks that pair perfectly with the fresh beer. Guy's Burger Joint, created in partnership with celebrity chef Guy Fieri, serves some of the best burgers you'll find at sea. The patties are juicy, the toppings are fresh, and the seasoned fries are addictive. It's casual dining done right, and there's no additional charge. The pool areas on the Carnival Celebration are where the ship really shines in terms of design and functionality. The main pool area centers around the massive Carnival WaterWorks Aqua Park, featuring 2 racing slides and the massive Kaleid-O-Slide that's over 800 feet long. These slides are genuinely thrilling, not just kid-friendly afterthoughts. The main pool itself is large enough to actually swim laps if you're up early enough, though it quickly becomes more of a social gathering spot as the day progresses. The surrounding deck space is generous, with plenty of lounge chairs that aren't crammed together like sardines. The retractable roof over the pool area is a brilliant feature that keeps the party going even in rough weather. The Serenity adult-only retreat is a game-changer for cruisers who want to escape the family chaos. This area features its own pool, hot tubs, and bar, all reserved for guests 21 and older. The atmosphere is noticeably more relaxed, the music is at a reasonable volume, and you can actually have a conversation without shouting. The Havana pool area is exclusive to guests staying in Havana staterooms, creating a resort-within-a-resort experience. This Cuban-themed space features a pool, bar, and lounge area with a distinctly different vibe from the rest of the ship. The tropical decor and laid-back atmosphere make it feel like you've discovered a hidden beach club. Multiple hot tubs are scattered throughout the ship, including some positioned for perfect sunset viewing. The water temperature is consistently maintained, and they're large enough that you're not sitting on strangers' laps. The poolside service is attentive without being pushy, and the frozen drinks are exactly what you'd expect from a cruise ship. When it comes to staying active and entertained, the Carnival Celebration offers more options than you could possibly use in a single cruise. The fitness center is genuinely impressive with modern equipment, ocean views, and enough space that you're not waiting in line for machines. The cardio equipment includes personal TVs, and the weight selection covers everything from beginner to serious athlete. The SkyRide is an absolute must-try experience. This suspended bike course takes you around the ship at deck level, offering incredible views of the ocean and ports. It's exhilarating without being terrifying, and the unique perspective of the ship and sea is worth any initial nervousness about heights. The SkyCourse ropes course challenges your balance and courage as you navigate obstacles high above the deck. Safety equipment is top-notch, and the staff provides excellent guidance for nervous first-timers. The sense of accomplishment when you complete the course is genuinely rewarding. The Carnival Celebration features a full-size basketball court, mini golf course, and ping-pong tables that provide classic cruise entertainment. The mini golf course is particularly well-designed, with creative obstacles that are challenging without being impossible. The basketball court sees pickup games throughout the day and organized tournaments that get surprisingly competitive. The Liquid Lounge serves as the main theater space, hosting production shows that are genuinely entertaining. The sound system is excellent, the lighting effects are impressive, and the performers are talented professionals who clearly take pride in their work. The seating provides good views from almost every angle, and the shows run on schedule. Piano Bar 88 offers intimate evening entertainment with talented musicians who take requests and encourage sing-alongs. The atmosphere is warm and social, perfect for making new friends or enjoying a romantic evening. The bartenders know their craft, and the song selection spans generations. The Punchliner Comedy Club brings professional comedians who deliver shows that are funny without relying solely on crude humor. The intimate setting makes every show feel personal, and the rotating lineup ensures you'll see different acts throughout your cruise. Late-night shows tend to be more adult-oriented, while earlier shows are family-friendly. The spa and wellness facilities on the Carnival Celebration provide a genuine escape from the typical cruise ship energy. The Cloud 9 Spa spans 2 decks and offers an impressive range of treatments performed by skilled therapists. The massage rooms are properly soundproofed, the treatment tables are comfortable, and the products used are high quality. The thermal suite is worth the additional fee, featuring a thalassotherapy pool, aromatic steam room, and laconium that provide therapeutic benefits beyond simple relaxation. The thalassotherapy pool uses heated seawater and strategically placed jets to provide a full-body massage experience that melts away tension. The barbershop and salon offer professional services that rival what you'd find on land. Haircuts are precise, color treatments are expertly applied, and the stylists actually listen to what you want. The manicure and pedicure services are thorough and relaxing, perfect for preparing for formal nights or shore excursions. Fitness classes are included in your cruise fare and cover everything from yoga and pilates to high-intensity interval training and dance classes. The instructors are certified professionals who modify exercises for different fitness levels. The yoga classes on deck at sunrise are particularly magical, combining physical wellness with stunning ocean views. The spa's retail area offers high-quality skincare and wellness products, though prices are predictably cruise ship inflated. However, the staff provides genuine expertise and will recommend products based on your actual needs rather than just pushing the most expensive options. For families traveling with children, the Carnival Celebration offers extensive facilities that keep kids engaged while giving parents some breathing room. Camp Ocean is divided into age-appropriate sections that provide supervised activities tailored to different developmental stages. The staff-to-child ratios are reasonable, and the counselors are trained professionals who genuinely enjoy working with kids. The Spacious at Sea program brings beloved Dr. Seuss characters to life through interactive shows, story time, and character meet and greets. The green eggs and ham breakfast is a particular hit, combining familiar characters with a special dining experience that kids remember long after the cruise ends. Circle C serves tweens with age-appropriate activities that bridge the gap between kids' programs and teen offerings. Video game tournaments, scavenger hunts, and movie nights provide social opportunities without the pressure of more structured activities. Club O2 caters to teenagers with a dedicated space that feels grown-up without being inappropriate. Late-night movies, dance parties, and sports tournaments give teens freedom to socialize while remaining in a supervised environment. The space is designed to feel cool rather than childish, which teenagers appreciate. Family-friendly staterooms include connecting rooms and suites with pull-out sofas that comfortably sleep larger families. The kids' bathroom amenities and welcome gifts show attention to detail that families notice and appreciate. The Carnival Celebration sails primarily Caribbean itineraries that showcase some of the region's most beautiful destinations. Eastern Caribbean cruises typically include stops in St. Thomas, St. Martin, and Carnival's private island, Half Moon Cay. These ports offer everything from duty-free shopping and pristine beaches to adventure excursions and cultural experiences. Western Caribbean itineraries often feature Cozumel, Jamaica, and the Cayman Islands, each offering distinct experiences. Cozumel provides world-class diving and snorkeling, Jamaica offers cultural immersion and adventure activities, while the Cayman Islands feature stunning beaches and unique attractions like Stingray City. Half Moon Cay deserves special mention as Carnival's private island destination. This 2,400-acre Bahamian island offers pristine beaches, water sports, and shore excursions in a controlled environment. The island feels genuinely tropical and unspoiled, not like an artificial cruise destination. Shore excursions range from cultural tours and historical sites to adventure activities like ziplining, snorkeling, and ATV tours. The variety ensures that every type of traveler finds something appealing, whether you prefer relaxing on beaches or seeking adrenaline-pumping adventures. Port days typically allow 6 to 8 hours for exploration, providing enough time for meaningful experiences without feeling rushed. The ship's shore excursion staff provides helpful guidance about each destination, including practical tips about local customs, currency, and must-see attractions. After experiencing everything the Carnival Celebration has to offer, this ship succeeds in delivering exactly what it promises: a fun, energetic cruise experience that doesn't take itself too seriously. The ship's strengths lie in its variety of dining options, impressive pool areas, and genuine attention to guest experience. The crew consistently goes above and beyond, creating an atmosphere where relaxation and fun happen naturally. The ship's design flows logically, making navigation intuitive even for first-time cruisers. Deck plans are clear, signage is helpful, and you never feel lost or confused about where you're going. The passenger flow is well managed, preventing the bottlenecks and crowding that plague some newer ships. Areas for improvement are relatively minor, but worth noting. The main dining room can feel rushed during peak times, and making reservations for specialty restaurants requires advanced planning. The Wi-Fi, while improved from older Carnival ships, still struggles with the demands of thousands of simultaneous users. The ship's entertainment programming is consistently strong, but some guests might find the energy level overwhelming if they prefer quieter vacation experiences. However, the adults-only areas provide adequate escape for those seeking more peaceful moments. What truly sets the Carnival Celebration apart from competitors is its commitment to creating genuine fun without manufactured experiences. The ship's personality comes through in details like the onboard brewery, the partnership with celebrity chefs who actually influence the menus, and entertainment that feels authentic rather than corporate. The SkyRide represents innovation that's both practical and exciting, providing an experience you can't get anywhere else at sea. The Havana section creates a ship-within-a-ship concept that adds exclusivity without feeling pretentious. The ship size allows for impressive facilities without sacrificing the personal service that makes cruising special. You'll see the same friendly faces throughout your cruise, and staff members remember your preferences and names. For business travelers or groups planning events, the Carnival Celebration offers meeting rooms and conference facilities that can accommodate various group sizes. The business center provides computers, printing services, and quiet workspace for those who need to stay connected. Conference rooms feature modern audiovisual equipment and can be configured for different types of meetings or presentations. The ship's event planning staff can coordinate everything from corporate retreats to family reunions, handling logistics that allow groups to focus on their actual gathering rather than organizational details. Catering options range from simple coffee service to full meal presentations that can accommodate dietary restrictions and preferences. Guest experience highlights from past cruises consistently mention the crew's genuine enthusiasm for their work. Stories of staff members going extraordinary lengths to celebrate special occasions, accommodate dietary needs, or simply brighten someone's day are common. One guest mentioned how the housekeeping staff created towel animals that told a story throughout the week, turning room service into daily entertainment. The ship's photographers capture professional quality memories without the pushy sales tactics common on some cruise lines. Guest services staff handle problems quickly and fairly, often exceeding expectations for resolution. Dining staff remember preferences and dietary restrictions, making each meal feel personalized rather than mass-produced. Special occasions receive attention that feels genuine rather than routine. Birthday celebrations include personalized cakes, anniversary couples receive room decorations and champagne, and first-time cruisers get recognition that makes them feel welcome rather than singled out. The Carnival Celebration represents modern cruising at its most successful, balancing innovation with the classic elements that make cruise vacations appealing. This ship delivers value through variety, quality through attention to detail, and fun through authentic experiences rather than manufactured entertainment. Whether you're a cruise veteran or first-timer, the Carnival Celebration provides a week of genuine enjoyment that justifies every dollar spent.